Hi guys, have you ever wondered how to make your partner ejaculate? It is a big fantasy for many men, and for a woman can be the most intense orgasm she will ever experience in her life. Too many men concentrate on their own pleasure and then are unable to please their woman, leaving her unsatisfied. Do you want to be her best lover ever? Then I would highly suggest you get a copy of this book, Sex Woman First, which will teach you the secrets of female ejaculation. In this short 3-minute clip, I'm going to share with you a technique from this brilliant book to bring your partner to orgasmic bliss. In ancient times, female ejaculation was seen as sexually sacred, and in Tantra the fluid is called amrita and believed to have spiritual properties. Nowadays we refer to female ejaculation as gushing or squirting, and it's popular in porn movies, but in fact it's something to be respected. Make your woman orgasm like a goddess and she will never leave your side. Female ejaculation is very unique to every woman and often needs to be built up over time. For example, a woman may at first only ejaculate a few drops, and then over time it will be a few cups, and with a greater intensity of orgasm. The G-spot is crucial in ejaculation, and some women also need clitoral stimulation and stimulation of the A-spot around the cervix. Take the time to get to know her body and explore her erogenous zones. This will also build up intimacy and connection between you. There is, however, a quick way to achieve ejaculation, but I would advise you to attempt this only when you have built up a lot of intimacy and trust between you. Ejaculation can be powerfully transformative for a woman, releasing sexual blockages. I'm going to tell you about this technique now. First of all, you will need 2 vibrators, a smaller clitoral vibrator and curved vibrator designed specifically for the G-spot. Make sure she is relaxed and comfortable with legs spread wide, perhaps lifting her knees back. Give her lots of touching and foreplay, and ensure she is well lubricated before you use the first vibe to stimulate her clitoris. When she has become highly aroused, slide in the G-spot vibrator so that the curved tip touches her G-spot about 2 inches along the front of her vagina. Apply gentle pressure while keeping up the desired stimulation on her clitoris until she reaches orgasm. Some women may need a few different attempts to ejaculate, but at the very least will have a wonderfully intense orgasm. I would advise women that to experience truly intense orgasm with a strong ejaculation, it is useful to practice your pelvic floor exercises for a few minutes every day. I practice as often as I can when I'm sitting on a train, for example, and it really increases the strength of my orgasm and ejaculation. I feel so powerful when my man makes me squirt. It's amazing. So in this clip we have covered the history of female ejaculation, why ejaculation is so good for a woman, ways of achieving ejaculation, a quick technique to promote ejaculation in your partner. Thank you for watching Sex Woman First, episode number 8. I'm Laura, and see you next time.